How to back up your Sparrow Wallet seed phrases. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Backing up your Sparrow Wallet seed phrase is one of the most important steps to keep your Bitcoin safe. If you lose it, you lose the access and you will not be able to recover it later. So it is a good practice to back up your seed phrases. So here's how you do it. First of all, open your Sparrow Wallet application on your computer and make sure that you open up your wallet. Once you are done opening up your wallet, go to the left-hand corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, under Key Store, you'll be able to see this View Seed option. Click on it to reveal your recovery phrases. Enter your wallet's password to view the recovery phrases in the text box. Finally, click on Unlock. Now, click on View Seed to reveal your recovery phrases. You'll see 12 words or 24 words recovery phrases in the page. Write down the words in exact order on a piece of paper. Just write it down safely and correctly, and then keep it in a secure offline place. Remember to never take screenshots of your recovery phrases, never store the recovery phrases in phone notes, emails, or clouds, and don't share with anyone. Once you have the backup, you can regain access to your wallet whenever you want on a different device as well. Remember to keep your recovery phrases confidential, since anyone can fully control your fund if they have access to your seed phrases. So that is how you can back up your recovery phrases or seed phrases on Sparrow Wallet. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.